Are you guys ready to have your minds blown? All right, I saved the best for last. This is for all you layout kings and math geeks out there. So you got to recreate this bolt pattern, but there's one catch. You can't measure the diameter. Well, lucky for us, we only need to know the distance between two bolts and how many bolts are on the flange. All right, we're going to start out measuring these two bolts first, and that seems to be about 5 9/16. And if you can get to another bolt, it's good to double check. And I still got about 5 9/16. So now we can get our diameter by just using a simple math equation. So we'll start out by dividing our holes up into 180. And we're using 180 because we're using right triangles to calculate our diameter. Here's the two numbers we need. We got 30 by dividing 6 into 180. That's the number of our bolts. Clear that out. Our chord is our distance between the bolts, 5 9/16. So we'll go 5.5625. Hit divide, hit sign, type in 30. Hit enter, we'll get 11 1/8. Now we can test it and see how we did. Right on 11 1/8. So as long as you can count the number of bolts, you know they're equally spaced, and you can measure the distance between at least two of them, this will work for any size diameter. All right, we're done with the bolt flanges. We're going to do something different next time.